was that? Yeah. Okay. So yeah. So fast forward, 2009 was when Facebook advertising came out, and because I was doing marketing, I was renting lists and mailing out. By that time, I'd figured out what copywriting was, obviously, and when mailing lists and doing quite well. But it always, because I live in Australia, we always run out of names. It's not like you have America; you have millions and millions of names. I would run out of a list, within 3 months. We'd have to rest it and do it again, and it's quite sporadic. It's quite an issue. But when Facebook ads was announced in 2009, I was like, holy shit, this is going to be the biggest thing ever. Because just means unlimited data, and be able to target people day in, day out. So I jumped on it from day one. It's 10 years ago now. But there was no support, there was no training, there was no workshops, masterminds, gurus, you name it, there was nothing. So I had to figure it out myself and spend a lot of money. I decided as money that I would have spent on education, I was just going to spend on advertising and test things out and try and figure it out and then try and codify that, and I did. So now we're top 2% of Facebook advertisers, VIP, $2 billion in sales, etc.